Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, this is from their earnings. This is day session only now, so we had the big gap up. Remember, we ran up yesterday with their earnings, and then collapsing back down, did the retracements. 786 was the 25% retracement, pretty much where we closed. Running up, let me just jump to a 4-hour. There's some extended data in this, so you can see with the extended data just missing our 894 level and then pulling back down actually below the rotation zone now on the 4 hour. So that divergence is definitely kicking in. And it's got way overbought. Right now, I'm going to take these levels up to the daily key high. So if we do manage to get back above 876, it's your minor still at 892, then you have 929, then major is 968 through 983. Rotation zone, what we'll be focusing on tomorrow's daily rotation zone coming in about 750. So if we start getting below 750, we'll start watching for the next key level of about 714. And then we'll start watching for the bottom of the rotation zone and this prior little support shelf around 695 to 700. Lots of volume coming in on this reversal, and remember, it did trigger and confirm a daily divergence. We'll do a end of week wrap up tomorrow, and let's see how this thing trades, but it looks at least like a short-term top has been put in on Tesla, and with the confirmation of the daily divergence, it's going to start watching for the potential bigger pullback, especially if the overall markets start pulling back more. So yeah, for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.